Hello there, it's Barney from Cyberfrog Design, and in this video we're going to talk about menus and categories for your posts. So if you go to your dashboard, we'll look at categories first. Now if you hover over the posts box and go down to categories, you'll be taken to a page that looks vaguely like this. And on the right hand side you've got your categories that already exist. We only have one, which is the default. And all of the posts that you create, if you don't define a category, will fall into this one. So as you can see, we've got 4 in here. Now if you want to add a new category, if you go to the left, we'll call ours category 1, and the name is what you'll be defining the category as. The slug is something that you can define for the URL, so when you search things it'll come up in the top box here. But the rest of the things you won't need to worry about. So if we add new category, and as you can see there's the name, and it's created a slug for us from the name we entered. And now you want to add your posts to it. So if we go over to the all posts box here, you'll be taken to the page, and we've got 4 posts at the moment and they're all in the default category, as you can see. So if you go into a post by clicking its title and going down here, on the right hand side you'll have the categories box. Now as you can see, it's currently in the default box. If we click category 1 and update, that will put this post into the category 1. From here you can also add a new category by clicking this button at the bottom. So we'll go category 2, and if you add that, it's just a quicker way of adding it. So we'll put that into category 2 for now and update. There we go. So let's say you've already got loads of posts like we have and you want to add them all into one category in bulk. What you can do is highlight their checkboxes on the left here once you're in the all posts page, and going up to this bulk actions drop down box. Now from here you can edit and move things to the bin in bulk, but we want to edit, and we'll click apply and you'll be shown this box. Now in here you can change the category, you can change the author, whether the post has comments allowed or whether it's published or not. So we want to put these all into category 1, and once you update on the right, as you can see, they've all been put in category 1. So now you know how to put your posts into categories. We're going to have a look at menus where you can add your categories into them. So if we go to the appearance and go to menus, this is where you can change how your menu looks and what's on it. Once it's loaded, as you can see, we've got our 3 items that are on the home page. And from here, you can add pages that already exist through this drop down box. So if we add the About Us page, there we go. You can click and drag the box once it appears here on the right to where you want it to be on the menu. So having it in line like this means that they're all top level links. If you move it under into it, there we go, that becomes a sub item as it says. So following that, we'll put this down into a parent link again. You can add links. Now if you go to the links tab, this allows you to add custom links into your menu. So we'll add our website, design.co.uk, Cyberfrog, and what you can do is add that to the menu, and there we go, that'll be your custom link, and it says here that it's custom, so we're going to drag this and be a sub item under About Us. Now we've already created categories, but you can add them to your menu by clicking this drop down box, and from here you can select your category, add it to the menu, and then all of the posts that are in that category will be accessible through this link. Now I'm going to add the other 2 and style it to a blog type menu. Where are we? Default, there we go. And if we stick this as a sub item and this as a sub item, and we'll put contact down at the bottom, you can save. Now when it says the menu item's been updated, that means that your menu's been saved. If you wanted to create a new menu, you just click this link here and you can start from scratch by giving it a new name, and that way you can have it as your custom menu for the footer, or you can have a custom menu in your sidebars. So for now we're just going to carry on with the one we've got, and I'll show you it on our front page. So there we are, there's our About Us page, and it's got a sub item of our custom link. And if you go to the default category, when you hover over, you've got category 2 and category 1. If I click on default, you'll be shown all the posts that are in the default category. If I click on category 2, There we go, the only one that's in category 2. And if I click on the custom link, it will take us to our website. So there you go. You now know how to use menus and add posts into categories through WordPress.